Well, hi there, Trailer Park fans. It's Jolene Sugarbaker, the Trailer Park Queen. And I'm so excited because the Trailer Park Cooking Show has won Best Comedy Series at the 9th Annual Taste Awards. Yes, that's right. The Trailer Park Cooking Show is award-winning. Kind of a couple times. Thank you all, Taste Awards, for honoring the Trailer Park, and thank you all, Trailer Park fans, for voting for me and having faith in the Trailer Park way. I've got some more episodes right around the corner. I've got to get back to mixing and baking and things. Most of the time cleaning the walls. I've got things splattered all over the cupboards, and HD is really sharp these days. I don't know. It's very bright in here. Anyway, thank you all, Taste Awards, for honoring the Trailer Park Cooking Show. Thank you all, Trailer Park fans, and I'll be back real soon with some more episodes from the Trailer Park Cooking Show. Award-winning. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.